Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn off notifications on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Mark you, there are two ways you can use to turn off notifications on your iPhone if you do not want to receive any notifications at all. First, go to your iPhone settings. From the settings, you want to scroll down and click on notifications. And then once you select the notifications, scroll down to where you see notification style. Select the application you do not want to receive notifications from. And then where you have allow notifications, make sure allow notifications is turned off. And that is going to turn off notifications from this particular application. You want to repeat this on all other applications where you do not want to receive notifications on your iPhone. And once you are done, you are good. So that's exactly how to turn off notifications on iPhone. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.